the beauty, guys. And it sounds really amazing. So, wow, guys, this is the new URUS SE. Amazing, guys. And it sounds, wow, guys. Over there, some Mercedes Brabus editions. Wow, wow, this is, yeah, check 112. Hello guys, welcome back to RF Car channel. Today is the 24th day of finding supercar challenge. Now I arrive at Chimong Mega Mall, which is over there, yeah, and come here and try to find a spot a supercar. This morning I drive past by the city for a bit. Along the way here, no sign of supercar yet because today is the holiday, which is the water festival holiday in Cambodia. So the city is not crowded as usual, and hopefully the supercar owner will bring the supercar during this holiday. So yeah, let's have some faith, let's have some hope, and hopefully we're going to see some maybe some Ferrari, some Lamborghini, or maybe some Bugatti or Mercedes along the way. So let's go. Yeah, hello guys, now I'm arrived at the second spot of the finding supercar challenge, which is Braping Hut Bang Snow, one of the richest neighborhood in Cambodia. Normally I would see some supercar, luxury car, maybe like a Ferrari, Lamborghini, or Rolls-Royce Spectre here, but today, since the holiday, maybe there's no the supercar owner won't bring the supercar out. So let's have some faith and let's continue our journey along the way to the Independent Monument and spot there, and hopefully you see some supercar there. So let's go. Check 112 now. I'm right at my third best spot location, which is the Independent Monument over there. So let's hope that we're going to see some Ferrari, Lamborghini, maybe some Porsche and Mercedes along the way. So let's go. Wow guys, over there the RX-7 MAZDA. Sound really amazing. Wait, maybe going straight. Yeah, coming past by. Nice, look at the beauty guys. And it sounds really amazing though. Nice, beautiful. Wow guys, this is the new URUS SE. Amazing guys. And it sounds really awesome. Wow. 2026 model guys. Amazing. Wow guys, over there Mercedes Maybach two-tone color. Wow, beautiful. With a Maybach wheel. This one is the S580. Nice guys. I believe to be the special wrap, right? Navy blue at the top and silver at the bottom. With a silver wheels. Amazing. Wow guys. Over there some Mercedes Brabus editions. Wow, this is the Brabus 800 guys. Beautiful. Amazing guys. Wow. One of the great spots this morning. Amazing. Wow, look at that gorgeous Range Rover SV. Wow, beautiful. Two-tone color guys. One of the best color of the Range Rover I ever seen. Amazing. Wow guys, over there on the other side is Mercedes Maybach S-Class, the new model. This one is the S500. Nice, beautiful. Wow guys, over here is the Rolls-Royce Phantom. What a coincidence man. Nice, beautiful. Amazing. Super luxury first class on wheels. Yeah guys, over here is a beautiful Porsche Panamera 4S. Beautiful. Yeah, guys, over here the full electric Lotus SUV. I believe to be the Elector R. Amazing. Wow, 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 guys! Finally, over there's the Mercedes Maybach GLS 600. Beautiful. Nice. Yeah, guys, first spot of this morning. Wow, wow, guys! Over here is a Mercedes. Nice. S560. Beautiful. Wow, wow, guys! Look at this gorgeous two-tone color Mercedes Maybach GLS 600. Look at that beauty, guys. Purple at the top, is black at the bottom. This one comes with the chrome wheels. Look at that beauty. Amazing. Yeah. Gorgeous, guys. Wow, guys, here's the beautiful ABTO elements. Nice. Beautiful. Wow, guys, over there's very gorgeous Nissan Patrol Platinum. This model is really popular in UAE, in Dubai. Billionaire like to ride this model. Amazing. Yeah, guys, over there's the beautiful ramps. Nice. This one I believe to be the TRX. Nice. Followed by the Xiaomi Suzuki Ultra. Beautiful, gorgeous colors. Nice. Wow, guys, over there's a gorgeous Mercedes convertible. I believe to be the C63. Nice. Look at that soft top convertible. Beautiful. Yeah, guys. Over there is some Mercedes Maybach. Nice. This one is the 560. Beautiful white colors with the chrome wheels. Nice. Wow, guys, over there another S-Class coming by. Nice. Beautiful. And over there is the RX-350 2025 model. Nice. Yeah, guys, over there is a Mercedes S-Class Maybach with a Maybach wheel. Nice. Wow, guys, gorgeous Royal colors, navy blue colors. Amazing. Normally you would see black or white color, but this is the special color. Wow, wow. Yeah, guys, over there another Mercedes Maybach. This one is the 680 with a Maybach wheel. Nice. Yeah, guys, over there is the gorgeous Bronco. Beautiful. Wow, guys, another gorgeous Land Rover 2025 model. Beautiful. Followed by the GAC. Wow, guys, on the other side is the gorgeous color. Come roll the other one. Nice. Beautiful. Wow, guys, over there is another gorgeous Siamese Suzuki. Believed to be Suzuki Ultra or Suzuki Max. Gorgeous blue color. Amazing. Yeah, guys, let's sum this up. This morning I see the great spot so far is the new Lamborghini URUS SE, which is the 2025 model, and the MAZDA RX-7, gorgeous green color, and we'll show you guys later in this video. So let's enjoy the video and continue our journey together. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like, comment down below which supercar you want me to spot next, and let's go.